everybody, I'm Lorie from Dee's. It's never too early to start thinking about St. Patrick's Day, and we have this adorable door hanger kit that's going to be going up online on shopdeeslouisville.com. That's just really quick and easy to make, and it'll be a great thing for your door for St. Patty's Day. So let's get started. We're going to start out with this adorable door hanger. It has a little bit of applique and these dimensional St. Patrick's clovers on it. Really cute. And then, of course, the stitching on it. It is fabric. It has a felt back, but it is dimensional, and it's really cute. Nice and lightweight, and it'll fit in between those storm doors. So in your kit, you're going to get this beautiful fern ivy pick. And you're just going to fluff that up and spread that out. And then you're going to get this really cute glittery stem of shamrocks. So we're just going to trim off these stems a little bit on the bottom. And when I'm dealing with stems that have paper on the bottom, I always like to put just a little bit of glue on the tip of that stem, just so that paper doesn't come unwrapped when we're working with it. So if you just put a little bit of glue there, that'll keep them good. We can open this up, kind of fluff up our stems. And the shamrocks are really cute because they're wired, so you can kind of bend them and manipulate them. So open up your greenery here. Kind of pull a few leaves down. And of course, I want to remove my price tag. And we're just going to lay this clover stem right on top. So next in your kit, you're going to have all the ribbon that you need for this project. And of course, we're going to include the wire that you need. So I'm going to start out with this stripe clover and hat ribbon that's really cute. And again, we're just going to make our loop, twist, pinch. And then next, I'm going to add on my black dot. Pinch and gather, twist, make your loop, pinch and gather, twist, make your loop. And last but not least, we're going to add these bright, fun green clover ribbon. All right, so we've got our bow all made, and then we're going to take some of our wire and just wrap that around the middle to cinch our bow nice and tight. And then take our wire and wrap our bow around our beautiful stems here that we have laying together. Just twist that nice and tight on the back. And then I like to take an extra little piece of wire just to hold my stems at the bottom together nicely, so that they're not coming apart. Okay, the most important part, trimming the tails of our bow. Put those cute little V-cuts in there. You just fold the wire edges together and then just cut that triangle right out. And now you are going to have a beautiful accent bow. One more tail. And you can just wire this right to the top of your piece. And there you have it, an adorable St. Patrick's Day door hanger. So check this out at shopdeeslouisville.com. Thanks for joining me.